we are giving more to you than we ever have before. If you haven't already signed up and enrolled for our free prophetic school, you heard me. You know that prophetic school that took us 3 years? You know, all my students, took them 3 years before they could walk the stage. It cost them thousands to attend. Yeah, that one I'm giving to you completely free because we need an acceleration in the maturity of the prophetic.
Yes, we do.
And so I've made it available to you, and here's the URL. You won't forget it. freepropheticschool.com. Free Prophetic School. Go and enroll today. Get started with the Dreams and Visions course. It's everything that I've taught for years. This is a high-level prophetic school training. I have leaders doing the school with entire groups. In fact, if you are a leader and you're going through the school with your church, please reach out to us. We have a very special just for you on bulk materials if you would like textbooks or if you would like manuals for your prophetic school. If you're going through this with anybody, in fact, I encourage all leaders out there, listen, I am not putting any rights on this. I want this teaching out there. So if you want to share this, you want to get everybody in your church on it for absolutely free, you go ahead and do that. Please do. It is my fire to see you guys equipped. freepropheticschool.com. If you're a leader, reach out to us. We give up to 40%. Listen to me. I give up to 40% off on my materials. If you want to use those materials in your church to start your own prophetic school, to have your own group, even for those, I have a lot of those who have hubs. And so they have like small groups within their home. They go through the lessons together. If you want to do that, you don't even need my permission. But if you're going to do that, I want to help you, okay? I want to know your name. I want to be there to make sure that you're growing. Our team is very hands-on. We want to see you prosper. I don't need my prophetic school to grow. I want your prophetic school to grow. So that's why not only am I giving yes, the body must grow. The prophetic must grow. So listen, if you are enrolled and you want to take others through it, get hold of us. I want to know your name. We want to be there to support you. And I also want to give you up to 40% off all printed materials. I'm doing this for two reasons. Number one, I'm giving them practically a cost because I want the word out there. I want to support your ministry.
Amen.
But secondly, I truly want to see the prophetic grow.
Yes.
I want to see it go places.
Yes.
Thirdly, this is a personal spiritual mom kind of thing. I also want it to be an opportunity that funds you. I know how much ministry costs and I know how much resources cost. So if I can give a leader the materials at 40% off, you even have the permission to resell them at the full price or at a discount. It's entirely up to you, to the people doing your course, and to use those funds for your own ministry. Listen to me very carefully.
That's good.
I know what it's like to be a startup. I know what it's like to have to plow. I know what it's like to have to come up with resources. It's difficult. And I also know how expensive it is to get that stuff printed and written and edited. So anything that I can do to not only make your ministry grow, but to fund it as well, I'm doing everything that I can. I believe in you guys. My Next Gen Prophets rock. We don't just keep what we learn to ourselves. We're trainers, we're equippers.
Yes, we are.
We're the Next Gen Prophets, and we're rising up in the prophetic supernatural.